This makeup is looking so damn gorgeous. And I'll try my best to recreate it. I don't have the same color contact lenses, but I'll wear what I have. For now, I'm wearing this ice blue shade from TTDI, and I think I have to buy more shades in lenses. For primer, I'm using this LYS gripping primer. And for eyebrow, I'm using this brow soap from Amazon. Check my eyebrow. It looks so good. Eyebrow and eyelids are ready. It's time to move on this beautiful eye makeup look. For these pink tones, I'm using this Huda Beauty palette. First, I'm going to apply a purple shade. And I'm taking this shade all the way inside. Now just blending the edges. Now I'm adding a light purple shade. And I'm gonna blend it all. Like this. Now I'm taking this big blending brush. And I'm taking a pink tone shade. And let's start blending here. This is what I get so far. Let's clean this eyelid. And I'll do my cut crease from here. So instead of using regular concealer, I applied this white concealer. Hopefully it will give me this kind of coverage. For this pink shade, I'm taking this QH Cosmetics Good Girl palette. And I'm taking this pink shade. With this small blending brush, I'll add shade here. Glitters I'm taking from this Tuesday in Love palette. It has this beautiful pink and white glitter. In this whole look, the glitters are the star of this show. Let me show you. Look at these glitters. These are looking so stunning. And for this white part, I have used this Kashi's crystal shimmer. Now let me do my eyeliner and eyelash. After adding eyeliner, it looks more beautiful. For my foundation, I'm using this NARS foundation. For my lower lash, I'm taking pink and brown shade. And I'll blend it. For my waterline, I'm using this nude lip liner from Ruby Kisses. If you don't have eyeliner, you still can use your lip liner as your eyeliner. So I'm using this nude one. How she did her lower lash. That looks so beautiful. I don't know what she have done. I have to try something else. Let me apply my L'Oreal Telescope mascara. What if I'll do this with tweezer? Is it gonna work or not? I don't even have this lipstick too. I don't know why I'm so poor. Well, let me try to mix and match some lipsticks. I had to mix 3 shades for this. Let's try. Is it working? Here you go with the final look. I know it's not same, but I love this look. It looks so beautiful in person too. Let me know what you think.